In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase single items from Alibaba.com, a platform often known for bulk purchases but entirely possible for individual needs. Now, if you're anything like me, you might feel a little overwhelmed at the thought of navigating a global marketplace like Alibaba. But don't worry, because I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can easily and confidently make your purchase. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome, our recommended browser for this activity. Using Chrome often provides the most seamless experience due to its excellent support for a wide variety of websites, including Alibaba.com. Once you have your browser ready, head over to Alibaba's website. You'll find it at Alibaba.com, a gateway to an impressive array of products from around the world. With the Alibaba homepage in front of you, the next step is to search for the product you're interested in. Use the search bar, prominently displayed at the top of the page. Enter your keywords, and you'll be presented with an extensive list of options. Take your time to explore the results. Having a clear idea of what you're looking for will help navigate options efficiently. Now, since you're focusing on buying a single item, you'll want to filter suppliers who are willing to accept small or single orders. Look for the filters on the left-hand side of the page that allow you to specify order minimums, among other criteria. Specifically, aim for suppliers who have a low minimum order quantity listed, as this shows their willingness to cater to smaller purchases. Once you've narrowed down to potential suppliers, contacting them directly is a crucial next step. Open the product page of your choice and look for the contact supplier option. You'll need to send them a message to confirm whether they can indeed sell you just one item. This communication is key because it allows you to establish a rapport with the supplier and get clarity on your single item purchase request. Should the supplier confirm they're able to accommodate your order, it's time to add the item to your cart. Don't rush this step. Make sure everything from price to specifications aligns with what you need. Once satisfied, proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll need to select your preferred payment and shipping methods. Alibaba offers various options, so choose one that best suits your needs. Be mindful of the shipping duration, as international deliveries can range significantly in time and cost. Finally, once you've gone through these meticulous steps, complete your order and keep an eye out for your confirmation email. This email is crucial as it'll contain all the details of your purchase. Rest assured, your item is now on its way, thanks to your diligent preparation. That's all there is to it. With this knowledge, Alibaba is now at your fingertips for single item purchases. Thanks for joining me, and happy shopping!